In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Gemini make daily productivity template. To get started, open Google Docs. This is the easiest path because Gemini is built right in. Once your document is open, look for the Help Me Write button. That's the Gemini shortcut inside Docs. Click it, and you'll see a prompt box where you can describe exactly what you want. Gemini works best when your instructions are specific, so be clear about the layout, sections, and formatting you prefer. Paste this prompt into the box. Create a clean and structured daily productivity template. Include top 3 priorities, time blocks, task list, follow-ups, revenue tasks, notes, and end-of-day reflection. Format it professionally with headers and bullet points. Make it minimal and easy to duplicate daily. Then submit. In a moment, Gemini will produce a polished template you can use immediately. Now refine it so it fits your workflow. In the same chat, ask for adjustments like make it more minimal, add a revenue tracker section, add a daily KPI section, or turn this into a checklist format. You can iterate as much as you like. Keep your request short and specific so Gemini updates only what you want without changing the whole document. If something looks close but not perfect, ask for a small tweak rather than a full rewrite. Here's an example of what the finished template might include. A header labeled Daily Productivity Planner. A top 3 priorities area with 3 lines to write the most important outcomes for the day. A time block section with slots such as 8 to 9, 9 to 11, and 1 to 2, where you can assign focused work. A task list presented as checkboxes so you can mark things off as you go. A revenue-generating task section with a couple of lines to capture actions tied to income. A follow-ups area to track messages or commitments you need to return to. A simple notes section for anything that doesn't fit elsewhere. And an end-of-day reflection with prompts for wins, challenges, and improvements for tomorrow. If you want Gemini to tighten spacing or align sections neatly, just say so. When you're happy with the layout, save it as your master. In Google Docs, go to File, then Make a Copy. Rename it to Daily Productivity Template, Master Copy. Keep this original clean, and each morning duplicate it to create a fresh daily page. That way, you preserve your best version while making it effortless to start strong every day.